Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see another transcription job which anybody can do, whether you are a housewife or a student or if you're working. And if you're interested in part-time earnings, you can definitely try for this job. And the site is 100% genuine. So we are going to explore all details about this transcription job that we are going to see in today's video. If you're interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. So the site that we are going to see in today's video is called Scribie. Now, if you search on data entry jobs or transcription job, the number one transcription site is Scribie, and they are having a lot of clients and they are providing a lot of job. The only thing is that you need to qualify their test, and in order to qualify the test also they are giving a lot of help, sample test or practice test they are actually giving. So there is no much difficulty in cracking the test. Only thing is that you should be working here dedicatedly and you can earn a lot of money. They have actually given the details of pricing, everything they have given in detail in the site itself. So let us see the details. Okay, so this is the home page of Scribie. Okay, here you can actually do transcription jobs, medical transcription and various other transcriptions are available. Okay, now you can see the clients of this website. Here if you scroll down, you can see the clients: Deloitte, IntraHealth. These are the famous clients of this website, and this is actually a very famous website. Many people are working here and earning money, and it is 100% genuine. So if you work here dedicatedly, it is 100% guarantee that you can earn money. There is no chance of scam. Okay, so let us see about how you can get transcription jobs, how to register here. First, you have to click on this sign up icon. Just click on this sign up. Now you can see the details of a form here: first name, last name, email address, password, read type password. Now just select the account type as transcriber. Okay, and then you have to click on this I'm not a robot and sign up. Okay, so just basic things you have to give here, and after giving these details they'll be sending a mail to your mail ID, whichever mail ID you have given, and then you have to validate your account by confirming your mail ID. Okay, so that is the basic registration process. After you have done the basic registration process, the next step is to actually take a test. The test is actually on transcription itself. So you have to transcribe a audio which they will be providing you, and they will be assessing that transcription which you have done, and based on which you will be getting the jobs. Okay, so that is how the process here is. So I have already logged in. Before that, let us see an introduction to what Scribie is all about. How is the rate? Everything we are going to see. So this is a home-based job, work at your convenience, from $5 to $25 per audio. Okay, so you'll be given, basically transcription means you'll be given an audio file. You have to hear the audio, whatever you are in that audio file. Then you have to make a file, that is a document out of it. Means you have to type whatever you are hearing in that audio. Okay, now you'll get up to $25 per hour. $25 means it is actually a very good amount. Okay, now short files, 10 minutes or less. So the files will be less, that is short files only. Okay, other details also they have given. You will be getting more bonus also, monthly bonus $5 for every 3 hours completed. So this is actually a very good site to work with. Okay, now what is actually transcription process? If you have a doubt regarding that, they have actually given the step-by-step explanation. Next, if you have some doubts regarding what is actually transcription process, if you are very new to this field, then they have actually given a very detailed step-by-step explanation of transcription. First, there is file splitting, then there is row transcription, review, proofreading, quality check. Now, in the Scribie side, there is actually a huge advantage. Means the automated transcript will be given to you. What you have to do is you have to take this automated transcript and you have to hear the original audio, and then you have to correct this transcript. Means you will be actually given a machine generated transcription file. Already machine has transcribed the file and it will be given to you. What you have to do is you have to correct the errors in that machine transcribed file. So when the machine is transcribing an audio or a conversation, there can be some errors, right? So you have to carefully hear the audio and correct whatever error which is made by the machine. Okay, so that is actually one big advantage on working with Scribie. You don't have to start from the scratch. Okay, Now let us move on to the certification process. So you have to first certify yourself as a transcriber. Only then you'll be getting jobs here. Now, in order to certify, what you have to do first, sign up, which we have already done, then confirm mail, set up a PayPal. Now, the payment here is actually through PayPal. Then submit the test file, means you have to give a test, then you will be certified. Okay. So, based on the review of your test, you'll be certified. They have also given the guidelines for test. You can actually read these guidelines, based on which only you have to give the test. Then also they have given some samples here. See, an audio file is attached here, and the audio file in which whatever you are hearing, they have given a transcribed file. See, this is how the audio conversation is. Okay. Now, in order to practice the test, again, some sample transcription audios are actually given here. You can select them and you can transcribe and you can practice. Okay. So this is actually a very good thing. In order to practice for the test, also there is a lot of options. Very good thing, right? Now, after that, you can proceed to the final test. Before that, you have to connect with your PayPal account. So PayPal is a must here. PayPal through which only you are getting the payments. You can get actually up to $25 per hour. It is a very good thing. So if you are interested, definitely do check out this site. Many people are actually looking for these authenticated transcription sites. So Scribie is definitely one you can recommend to your friends also. So if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Subscription is absolutely free. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.